In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall unsend sent email in Outlook. If you've ever hit send and immediately spotted a mistake, this feature can help pull back the message, or even replace it with a corrected version. A quick note before we start, message recall is only available in the Outlook desktop app. And it works best when both you and the recipient are on the same Microsoft 365 or Exchange organization and the message hasn't been opened yet. If the recipient has already read it, or they're using a different email system, recall may not succeed. But I'll show you how to get a status report so you'll know either way. First, open the Outlook desktop app. Go to your Sent Items folder and find the email you want to recall. Don't just preview it. Double-click the message to open it in its own window. This is important because the recall options only appear when the message is opened separately. With the message window active, click File in the top left corner. From there, select Resend or Recall, and then click Recall this message. Outlook will open the recall dialog where you'll choose how you want to proceed. You'll see two choices. The first is delete unread copies of this message. Choose this if you simply want to remove the message from recipients' inboxes, provided they haven't read it yet. The second option is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Pick this if you want to immediately send a corrected version. If you choose to replace, Outlook will open a new Compose window with the original content so you can make edits before sending. Consider clarifying the subject or adding a short note at the top so recipients understand the correction. Before you confirm, check the box that says Tell me if recall succeeds or fails. This ensures you receive a report for each recipient, so you'll know whether the recall worked. Then click OK to finalize the recall. If you selected the Replace option, make your edits and send the updated email when you are ready. A few tips to maximize your chances. Act quickly, since recall only affects unread copies. Avoid forwarding the original message thread until you know the result. And if recall doesn't work, send a clear follow-up to correct the information. For future peace of mind, many people find a short send delay helpful. So messages wait a minute or two before going out. That's it. Thanks for watching.